All right, guys, when we say we do them all, we do them all. 2003 Chrysler PT Cruiser. As you guys can see right there, what we got done on it, we'll let you know in a second. Factory converter there, a DTM muffler right there. Then 2¼ in or 2½ in, 2½ out. We'll have a link in the description. Then it continues 2¼ Then we took the spare tire out, as you guys can see. You can see from the pipes, and we ran duals out the back, wide pipe duals there. Then we cut in the bumper on this side, and this side it usually cuts just on this side. We cut this side to match, and ran duals out the back. Look at that, came out really nice with some black tips. There'll be a link in the description for them too, if we can find them, right there and right there. But you do have to take the spare tire out to make duals on these. He's got another spare in the trunk. He didn't want to keep putting this back on. That's the cage that comes on it. That's the spare tire. And there's the muffler that was on it. We took all that off and put duals on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, we'll put duals just on just about anything. 3 PT Cruiser with duals. That sounds good. That's you, man. I love it. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 94, 95. Again. I love it. Go to back it up. If there's a way, if there's a will, there's a way, like they say. Go ahead. As long as there's a will, there's a way. This sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. I think he likes it. And it's super cool. It's got the head screw on it too. Yeah, it's awesome. PT Cruiser. Go. Dum 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 dum. I like it. It's got custom wheels on it. It's his baby, man. He wants to rebuild all of it. He wants to customize it all the way. I don't blame him. I love everybody's cars.